the one thing that you can do today to become a developer. And this one's going to get a little bit philosophical because it really has to do with your mindset and your identity. Think about it. Last time you tried a tutorial, you got frustrated and you kind of gave up. This is because you didn't really want it that bad. In other words, you weren't in the mindset of saying that, hey, I'm a developer and this is what developers do. There's a certain mindset in which we kind of aspire to be something or we are that thing. And I will tell you, if you can get the word aspire out of your vocabulary, you're going to do wonderful things. Because aspiring doesn't really help us become. An aspiring developer is just somebody who might be learning to code and might become a developer. Someone who identifies as a developer today is way different. This is the idea of instilling your habits into identity-based habits. If you are a developer, what are the type of habits that a developer does every single day? Well, you might write some code every single day. You might make some open source contributions. You might be reading design patterns or architecture or even just cool things that are happening in the world. But really what I'm trying to say is that you're shaping all of your habits around your identity because you are a developer. If I'm an aspiring developer, however, I might aspire to read, but that doesn't mean I read every single day. If I'm an aspiring coder, I might code every single day, but what if that doesn't happen? So really this is a focus on what we want to become rather than what we can achieve. So the goal might not be to finish a software project, it might be to become a developer. The goal is not to win a coding competition, but rather to be practicing coding questions every single day. The goal is not to get straight A's in college, but rather somebody who studies every single day. So really it comes down to this whole idea of saying, I'm the type of person who is this. And each of your habits will give a suggestion of your identity. Somebody who studies every day or somebody who codes every single day is probably a software developer. This builds a lot of evidence towards your identity. Your habits just let you simply be the person who you are. So think to yourself with regards to your identity. What would a developer do? These are the type of questions you should ask yourself to help reveal that identity inside of you. And of course, when you do this, you're going to kind of get those answers of what are the type of things that person should be doing. So if you're the type of person who wants to learn a new programming language, you should be studying every single day. If you want to finish a project, you have to focus on working on that project every single day. The focus should always be on becoming that type of person and not necessarily the outcomes that person has. This is a very gradual process, but it's a meaningful one if you take the time to understand it. You should be able to rarely tell the difference between past you and future you with a new identity mindset. Every habit and every rep that you do is going to put a vote into your new identity. So in other words, start focusing on who you want to become.